Let's learn how do we divide the number 324 by 2 using the long division method. To do this, at first we'll write down the numbers in this way. Consider the first digit 3. We know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 beside this 1. And we know that 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. So we will bring down this adjacent 4 here. Look that this is the number 4. So remove this 0 and we know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 324 divided by 2 is equal to this number 162. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.